Hey guys, it's your girl Cyn.
I'm Arielle.
Today we did like a Jamaican
Girl.
I'm suddenly feeling
Wow. What do you have so much wow?
oh my god.
Oh my god! Wow!
What are you running?
Hey guys, it's your girl Cyn.
I'm Arielle.
Today we did a really quick Jamaican girl tag. We were scrolling on YouTube and we saw like a couple people doing this tag and we're like,
We're Jamaican. We're girls.
might as
We
well.
got tags.
So if you guys wanna like watch us, get comfortable, like grab a chippies
You know, a bun and cheese,
or a bun and butter,
bun and pear.
bun and patty.
It's all good.
Anything you feel like. We'll link on the people that did the tag, like the videos that we watched. We'll link them below in the description.
Because you know we give credit.
So you guys stay tuned and make sure you enjoy yourselves and like comment down below what kind of videos you guys want to see from us.
Yes.
Let's report the people. Okay, so question number 1. Where were you born?
That's all of us to talk.
Everybody that the videos that I watched, they're like they live in America. They have like Jamaican parents and they live in America. So the first question was I was like, where were you born? Anyways, I was born in St. Andrew, UA Hospital.
Oh, come on, just like that.
Okay. Alright, question number 2. What's your favorite dish?
Beef and rice.
That's your favorite dish?
Yes. I eat that every day for the rest of my life.
I really love ackee and corn pork.
Oh yeah, that's tasty.
I love ackee and corn pork and white rice.
Fried boiled dumpling.
Fried flames and fried bread fruit too.
Yeah, fried bread.
Flames.
And
Love
obviously,
that. Obviously,
like ackee and saltfish and patty and something.
I actually don't like ackee and saltfish. She's going down the stairs. I just don't like ackee and saltfish. I tell you, I love ackee and corn pork, but I just don't like ackee and saltfish. Like, I don't know. I feel like the saltfish kind of overpowered the dish. I don't know.
Next question.
Okay. Question number 3. Which is better?
Bruh.
What?
Which is better? Real Jamaican food or American Jamaican food?
So the foolish, skip the question. I'm gonna answer that.
Guys, answer that. Are you eating guinea?
It's Guinea. First of all.
Guys, if you say guinea, I say guinea. I say guinea, that's what my parents say.
I say Guinea. Everybody I know says Guinea. I don't know where she get Guinea from. Yo, do you chew the seed or not?
No, am I 5? Okay, question number 4. When people find out you're from Jamaica, do they automatically say, so something in patois?
No, they say something in Jamaica.
Yeah, that's what I always say. They say something in Jamaican.
Like we don't speak English like everybody else. Well, not everybody else, but yeah.
But I guess they mean like say something in patois. Okay. So question number 5. How good is your patois?
My parents make fun of my patois all the
Same.
time.
My mother was a teacher and like the whole English thing was like she was very on it. So she taught all of us to speak like standard English. So the patois thing came like later. Is that water? It is time for a water break, you know what I mean? We're not trying to be. Let me turn this on.
There's no water in that.
No? Okay, so number 6. What is this question? Have you ever been in a fight? I'm confused why this is in a Jamaican girl tag. Are you saying all Jamaicans do is fight?
I've actually wanted somebody to fight me for years.
Really? Why?
I don't know. I just want to be in a fight.
You have the answer. Number 7. You're gonna laugh. Do you think you're as fast as Usain Bolt?
Are you serious? Really?
That's a dumb question. That's a dumb question because I'm sure they wouldn't ask Americans, do you think you're as fast as Walter Dix? Or
do you play ball as good as LeBron? Do you drive as fast as Dan Schumacher? Do you... I don't know what else.
do you cycle as quick as Lance Armstrong?
Do you catch balls as good as Odell Beckham Jr.? Like, I'm confused.
OBJ!
Next question, number 8. Who did these questions? Are you loud?
Yes.
Yes, I'm loud. This tag is stressing me out.
That has nothing to do with me being Jamaican.
Exactly, I'm just a loud person. There's loud Americans, there's loud
Japanese
people, there's loud British people. Yes, we're loud. No, that has nothing to do with us being Jamaican.
Exactly.
Number 9. Would you consider yourself the stereotypical Jamaican?
I'm assuming they mean like locks,
Smoke weed. Neither of us have locks.
Yeah.
Neither of us smoke weed.
Okay.
Neither of us I mean, we listen to reggae music.
Yeah. But we don't
live on the beach in hammock.
I don't think anybody.
We don't scam people like men.
Rich men.
Okay, question number 10. Do you think all Jamaican parents are the same?
Yes. They're all awful.
I think they're very similar. I feel like every Jamaican parent like low-key does the same.
They do the exact
Like
same.
low-key.
Our parents slowly turn into their parents.
Yeah. Low-key, I feel myself like turning into a model. Like sometimes like I have to play music when I'm cleaning on a Sunday now. Like it's not even on purpose. It just happens. It's at the time now, you know, say you have to drink soup and something there. You know? Yeah, people, a lot of people don't like soup. I
don't like soup, but like if it make on a Saturday, what I make it, dumpling and thing like spinach and
I hate rice and soup. Yo, just revolt my Jamaican card. I hate rice and peas.
Leave. You hate rice and peas too?
I don't know. I don't like peas. That's why I don't like peas. But I love chicken soup and like pepper pot soup and manish water. I love manish water. Oh my gosh. Does it bother you that non-Jamaicans wear dreads?
No.
Low-key, I feel like I have an issue. First of all, non-Jamaicans is like a stretch because there's like people in like Africa and other places. I feel like most people are like what's the word? They correlate like having locks and dreads to like religion, and I don't think Rastafarianism is only
the hair.
Only hair, but like
hair.
Yeah. So it's just like I can't really judge, but at the same time it's like there's a little side eye. Question number 12. Wow, I forgot to read. What do you dislike about being Jamaican?
I don't appreciate how complacent we are with injustice.
Yeah. There's a lot of topics that I feel like Jamaicans don't like put in enough energy into like resolving. It's like kind of a joke.
Yeah.
Another thing I dislike is probably like it's like I dislike and I like at the same time, but the unruliness and the gimmicks.
Yeah.
Like
I cannot appreciate the unruliness. Taxi man, bus man. Oh my gosh.
It's literally like the opposite. It's like because when you're in a vehicle, like when you're in a car, you're looking at the driver's like, but when you're in the coaster bus and you're like, you need to reach somewhere on time, and the coaster start driving on the side of the wall. I am not encouraging reckless driving, but you know what I'm saying. You know what I dislike about Jamaica? Customs. That's what I dislike. Andrew, honestly, if you're watching this again, the customs thing is just, it stresses me out. It honestly stresses me out because there's so many things that I'd love to buy, but I cannot afford to clear anything at customs.
Okay, question 13. What do you love about being Jamaican?
Everything I hate about being Jamaican.
I love how much sense we have.
Yeah, the vibes. Love the vibes.
Love the vibes.
The food. The people.
Yeah, the people are nice.
The energy is a vibe.
It's a vibe, sis.
Love it.
Number 14.
I don't like that you laugh.
How do you feel about Jamaican men?
This term for a long-handled gardening tool.
Where do we begin?
End the question.
Jamaican men are
a lot. Oh my baby.
Oh my god.
First of all, today we went to Tasty.
Oh my gosh. So we went to Tasty, right? You tell the story. Because I was walking.
We were walking from the car to the entrance to Tasty, and this man is don't know me from nowhere as usual. What one pretty baby?
Boy, if you don't.
I think that's the number one thing that upsets me about Jamaican men is like the fact that I cannot walk on the street without somebody shouting something at me.
Sometimes they don't just shout things at you. They want to have full-on conversations or keep talking, even though you're walking away and saying, "Okay, thanks. All right, that's it." They keep going. It's nice that you do think it, but you don't have to tell me.
Oh, I get what you mean.
Yeah.
So but at the same time, there's like positives about Jamaican men. I actually don't think.
Some of them are really funny.
Yeah. I don't think I'd date somebody that's not Jamaican.
Yeah. The cultural difference.
Yeah, it's wild.
Yeah. 15. How do you feel about Jamaican women? When I ever want parts yet?
Right? No, let me tell you. Like some of one. Like a Oshi weekend or a dream weekend. Jamaican women are gorgeous. They're beautiful. Same about Jamaican men as well.
Yeah.
You guys are gorgeous and beautiful as well. But Jamaican women,
they're nice.
Well, nice. I mean, come on.
Where are we?
Number 16.
How much makeup do you wear?
What does that have to do with being Jamaican? I'm so confused. I'm thoroughly confused.
I don't know if they want me to say 5 pounds, 2 pounds, 3 products. I don't know what the measurement is.
I don't wear makeup like out unless it's in the night or unless I'm going somewhere with AC.
Yeah.
Cause I'm very oily and I sweat and I'm not trying to walk out with my makeup dripping.
Okay, 17. Is that your real hair?
I'll come up with that shit here.
No, it's not my real hair. It's called a protective style.
This is my real hair. But at the
show
same
sis. Also, if you see me on the road with a bun, don't bounce it. It will come off. Thank you.
Energy.
Okay, this is the last question. Do you think Jamaicans have beef with Haitians? I feel like we have beef with Trinidad more.
Yeah. That's not very. I feel like that's a diaspora question.
Yeah.
Like Jamaican people abroad.
I don't think we have beef with Trinidad more than anybody else, and anybody who wants to come for us.
I mean, I don't have any beef with Haiti.
I don't even know any Haitians. So. No,
and
my cousin is married to a Haitian.
Even the whole beef thing with like other English-speaking Caribbean countries, I don't.
Yeah, I feel like it's just mostly gimmicks.
I don't think it's serious. I think it's mostly gimmicks. Some people might take it seriously because I hear that like when a lot of Jamaicans go to like other countries, they get treated like a different way. But okay, so thanks guys for tuning in to our Jamaican girl tag. If you don't like it, then bite it. Yeah. Some of the questions are low-key nice, and some of them are just like I'm confused.
Some of them are very stupid. Like, how much makeup do you wear?
Yeah, and if we run as fast as you say, like
I feel like that's very
stereotypical. Okay, thanks guys for tuning in. So see you next time. See you guys on next episode. You guys can comment down below like what kind of videos you want to see from us. We'll definitely try and like get those out for you. Just got a little thirsty, you know.
You're always thirsty.
Facts. So good.